Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. When working on large Python projects, it's essential to organize your code effectively to improve readability, maintainability, and collaboration among team members. One common approach is to split your code into dependent modules. In this tutorial, we'll explore a recommended method for achieving this using Python's module system. Before diving into the implementation, let's understand what dependent modules are. Dependent modules are individual Python files that contain related functions, classes, or variables. These modules rely on each other to achieve a specific functionality. The best method for splitting Python code into dependent modules involves creating separate files for different concerns and leveraging the import statement to access functionality from one module to another. Here's a step-by-step guide. Divide your code into logical functionalities. Each functionality or a set of related functionalities should be implemented in a separate module. For each identified functionality, create a new Python file/module. The name of the file/module should reflect the purpose or functionality it provides. In the module where you need the functionality of another module, use the import statement. This allows you to access the functions, classes, or variables defined in the imported module. For larger projects, you might want to organize your modules into packages. Create a directory structure that reflects the organization of your code, and use the __init___.py files to indicate that a directory should be treated as a package. Organizing your Python code into dependent modules is crucial for maintaining a clean and scalable code base. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create a modular structure that enhances code readability and makes it easier to collaborate with others. Remember to choose meaningful names for your modules and functions to improve overall code comprehension. ChatGPT. Title: A comprehensive guide to splitting Python code into dependent modules. Introduction. In large Python projects, managing code efficiently becomes crucial for maintainability and readability. One effective approach is to split code into dependent modules. This tutorial will guide you through the best practices for organizing your Python code base into modules and handling dependencies. Before diving into code restructuring, identify logical components in your project that can be separated into modules. These could be functionalities like data processing, input validation, or user interface components. For each identified module, create a separate Python file. This helps to keep related functions and classes in one place, making it easier to navigate and maintain. Example: let's consider a simple project with two modules, math_operations.py and string_operations.py. In the main script or another module where you need to use the functionalities from these modules, import them using the import statement. Example: if your main script is main.py. Be cautious of circular dependencies, where modules depend on each other. To avoid this, refactor code to minimize dependencies or use techniques like function-level imports. Example: if math_operations needs a function from string_operations, consider importing it within the specific function, not at the module level. For larger projects, consider organizing modules into packages. Create a directory for each package and place related modules inside. Example directory structure. By following these steps, you can effectively split your Python code into dependent modules, improving code organization, readability, and maintainability. Adjust the structure based on your project's specific needs and size. ChatGPT.